and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making cinnamon swirls. I have preheated my fan oven to 160 degrees and I have lined a tray with grease-proof paper. In my bowl I am going to mix together Demerara sugar, butter and a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. I'm now going to spread the cinnamon paste across my pastry. I'm going to make sure I leave about a centimetre at the end so that I can press it down so my swirl doesn't unravel. I am now going to tightly roll my swirl. I'm going to cut my cinnamon swirls so they are 2 centimetres thick. I am now going to place my cinnamon swirls on my tray, but make sure to leave enough space in between them as they will expand when they cook. I'm going to coat them with egg wash. A bit of sugar, and now leave them to rest for 30 minutes. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes or until they go lightly golden brown. While my cinnamon swirls are cooling, I am going to make my icing. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, and a few drops of warm water. I'm now going to drizzle over the icing. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.